What is the number one reason that innovation and transformation fail in most financial services organizations? It's not what you think. It's the lack of personal courage and selfless service in the senior leaders. That's right. You're not going to hear this anywhere else. The number one reason financial services innovation fails, that's the big F, financial services, banking, insurance, investments, businesses related to insurance, money, and payments, is because the CEO and senior C-level executives are not exhibiting selfless service. You see, those folks, all of them, are members of the multi-millionaire club. They make big paychecks and they've achieved big positions, mostly through managing the status quo. The financial services industry, you see, is one of the most risk-averse industries in the world. And I've walked the cedarwood halls of at least 50% of the top 10 financial services companies. And I'll tell you that they are the most volatile, dangerous, but friendly areas to try to innovate in. They're in highly regulated, highly risk-averse environments where it is career endangering to take significant risks. This causes the vast majority of the executives, from the CEO to the C-suite to the senior, even mid-level executives, to be fairly risk-averse. Why? They're doing very, very well. They have large houses with large mortgages, a lake house, luxury cars and sports cars in the garage. They frequent nice places, travel places. Their children go to the best schools. They're on the gravy train and they don't want to upset it, naturally. Although the need for change is there within the organization, and it's desperately there, they will avoid any risk because they could compromise their position or their promotion potential. They don't think about the organization first, because if they're the ones that take a risk and the idea fails in that environment, they will frequently be blamed and the gravy train ends. Of course, this makes it especially perilous to be an innovation leader in one of those organizations or to have the innovative spirit. That's not saying these executives don't know or understand the changes happening in their environment. Executives will talk the talk. They just won't walk the walk. Many will be well versed in the various transformation efforts going on and any innovation efforts that are impacting their environments happening across the globe. They'll tell you about Google's latest initiative or exciting developments with AI. They'll even have innovation books on their bookcase and walls. And they'll even hire innovation and transformation consultants, hence my insider knowledge. But when you scratch beneath the surface of their verbiage, any resolve for change that will endanger their positions is non-existent. So you see, most senior execs in financial services choose their own comfort and lifestyle over the organization's strategic well-being. In the hierarchical structure and highly regulated business environment of established financial services, the multimillionaire club of senior execs will almost always choose self-preservation over selfless service. You won't hear this anywhere else but here. This is a sad fact about transformation and innovation within financial services. I'm sorry to report this, but if you're an innovator within financial services, I'm quite certain you know that. Keep swimming upstream.